And we're back to learning Illustrator in a year day 111. Let us go back to a multi-stroke effect for text. I've shown you that in the last video a little bit slower. Let's go over that quickly again. We need the appearance menu. And here I add a fill first. Let me use kind of like a reddish color. Then I add a stroke and I make sure that the fill is on top of the stroke. So left click drag here in the menu. And I use shades of red and yellow. And I go 5 points up with each stroke. So 5, 10, 15, 20. And then we've added a multi-stroke effect to this text element. Everything's okay with this font. So when we zoom in, you can see the stroke is properly aligned. There are no glitches. Everything looks good. But you've also seen in the last video when we use a more playful font, for example, Best Regards. Let me try to find it. We had a lot of glitches in the last video, right here. Let me go down here on the T letter. You can see that all of these spikes. And that is just a thing that happens with some fonts, and you can't really tell when it happens. It depends certainly on the size, but you can try to fix these spikes at least a little bit. To do that, you have to select right here the stroke menu for each of these strokes and then change the corners. So by default, the corners will be set to the first option. You have to switch to the second one, which is the round join. You can also try bevel, but this is going to cut off the stroke. I think that roundness looks the most natural. Again, you have to do that for all stroke elements. This at least gets rid of the spikes on the outside. On the inside, glitches will remain. Once again, that depends on the font when they appear, but at least these outside glitches you can get around using the round corners. And another thing that you can try if it's still too much, just go down with the size of your stroke. So here I've used 5-point steps. Maybe you just want to use 3-point steps, and then you will see less of these glitches. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.